Hey friends, I am here today to introduce you to LuLaRoe's newest 3-tier dress. It is called the Annabelle. You guys, she is so darling and so perfect for a nice transitional piece into summer to fall / winter, depending on where you live in this country. So I am currently in a size small, which is one down from my retail size. This one right here is the stretchy crepe moss material. So the entire dress itself has stretch. There are two fabrics in the Annabelle as of right now, so from the initial launch. One is this crepe stretchy material. The second one is a woven with zero stretch, okay? I have tried the size small in both materials. The size small in the woven is way too tight on my bust and way too tight kind of in the shoulder area. So I do not feel comfortable in the woven sizing down for my true retail size. In the stretchy crepe, I love this fit. I do kind of like, because I am a pear shape, I like kind of tighter fitting things on the smaller part of my body, which is like my upper body. So I really like the fit of it within my like torso and my bust area. The only thing with sizing down is the sleeves are slightly too short, okay? Now, with me, I usually tend to scrunch my sleeves up anyways. So I would not have an issue of actually wearing the dress like this, okay? It sits slightly above my knee, so the length, it's longer than Heidi if you're familiar with the Heidi dress. I would say it's probably comparable to the length of our Chelsea t-shirt dress, which I prefer my dresses to hit above the knee anyways, to show off a little bit of skin. I like the fit along, so again, even though I am pear-shaped, I am a size 12 on the bottom, it's still very flattering within my hips and the booty area. So my husband's preferred size on me is actually a size small. So I am going to show both medium, large, sorry, more than both. I'm going to show medium, large, and extra large as well. But I just wanted to showcase one size smaller than my true retail size, again, which is a size medium. So you guys, go and scoop up all these amazing Annabelles. They are so darling. Remember, you can layer them with tights underneath, with solid black leggings, which are completely in stock in all sizes. Throw on some high boots, some little short booties, and you are ready to go. So perfect for layering with any of our layering pieces. The new Peyton, for example, a Gwen blazer will look really cute with this also. Wide brim hat, which is like my jam. I am 100% here for the amazing Annabelles. I hope you are too. Stay tuned to check out the other sizes. All right, friends. So now I'm currently in a size medium in the Annabelle. This is my true retail size. I am above size 10 on top, 12 on the bottom, and this dress fits me perfectly. The sleeve length is bang on, but remember, it does have encased elastic sleeves, so I can just bunch them up, and that's typically how I wear my long sleeve items anyways. I always tend to like a little bit of exposed skin on my arms. So neckline sits nicely. I really don't like tight things right up on my neck, but if I did particularly like the tightness of this, I can literally undo the little button, which is really not the easiest when you have acrylic, but I can undo the button and it allows the neckline to be a little bit looser. And especially if you do have your hair down, it's not the biggest deal. You can always also purchase extenders. So if you did want the button kind of fastened, you can add little extensions to this to hook the actual loop with the button, so you still at least have it fastened. But if you're gonna have your hair down, guess what? It covers it for you and it's not an issue. But even with my true retail size, The size medium buttoned up does not irritate me, okay? I am obsessed with this crepe material. It is really soft on the skin. It has great stretch. And I am like completely here for it. So this is the Annabelle in my true to retail size. I'm going to be showing both size large and extra large as well. I hope you guys are going to love this dress. But for one last look, let me put my sleeves down real quick. Again, this is my true to retail size for the Annabelle. All right, so now I'm in a size large. This is one up from my retail size. This particular print is a woven, so there is zero stretch, but there still is elastic encased in the neckline as well as in the wrist. So it allows for just a little bit looser kind of sleeve as well as looser neckline, especially if you don't really like things tight up along your neck. The length hits me basically kind of like the top to middle of my kneecaps, which is still like a nice kind of appropriate length. I don't necessarily find it too long, especially to wear in the fall, which I think this dress is very seasonally appropriate for. I have it paired with some cute little booties. A nice like wide brim hat would look really adorable with this as well. You can also belt it to give a little bit more shape. But again, this is one up from my retail side. Here is a side view, kind of just a nice relaxed boho oversized fit. And I will move on to the next size. All right, so now friends, I am in the extra large Annabelle. This is a woven material, so it has zero stretch. It is a very roomy in my torso. The sleeve length is just slightly ever too long, kind of like resting in the palms. But it does still have the elastic casing. So if I wanted to go for that kind of very like oversized boho look with the elastic encased in the wrist, I can still kind of get it to sit just above, especially if you have any bracelets. It can actually help keep the length of the sleeve from falling too far down onto your hand. But again, I am 2 sizes up from my retail size. The length hits me basically at the bottom of my knees, and I am 5'5". This is a side profile, so very loose fitting, kind of boho, but it can still be styled super cutely. You can even belt it to kind of bring in the waist and add a little bit more of a shape to your body. But once again, this is 2 sizes up from my retail size. This is the Annabelle in the woven fabric.